Amidst speculation over his replacement as Chief Minister, Biren today clarified that there will be no change in leadership. Chief Minister said this on the sidelines of a program at MSFDA's at Palace Compound today. Speaking to media persons, Chief Minister Biren said his government is working in tandem with the Prime Minister and Union Home Minister to find a solution for the ongoing crisis in Manipur. He also alleged that the speculations about his replacement could be resulted out rumors that are being spread by few ambitious ministers.
Prime Minister ki appointment laurba matungda Home Minister ga unarga subsite witness Home Minister unadana nungti ki Home Minister ga founder ga lady Prime Minister ki office founder matungda madade logi de na khoi political rival khudong sab lobo pamba CM winning ma kambu amani na sandok pura MLA mantri winning mana sandok pura na tragana kana na sandoi na mado aran ma paune